We'll guide you through how to fix Wi-Fi and network problems on a MacBook. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying because then you're unable to go and connect to the internet and go and use it. And to do loads of different things on a computer and to fully utilize it, of course, you need a connection. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try to go and get this working. Make sure to do this full guide and let's go and dive straight into this, and hope for the end you then have a working internet connection. So to go and get started, you may find that you're currently connected and it's not working, or you can't even connect. We're keeping this guide broad, so keep watching. So what you can first of all is go and press the Wi-Fi icon in the top right, and you can try simply switching it off. Wait a few seconds, and then what you can do is go and switch it back on. Then what you can try doing is connecting again. Now go and see if it'll go and work, open up Safari and try and browse. If you're finding it still isn't, the next thing you need to do is come to the bottom of your Mac and open up System Settings. If you can't find it, press search in the top right and type in System Settings. Next, you want to go over to the left and you want to go and find the option for Wi-Fi. Now, if you're currently connected to the network and it's not working or there's problems with it, press Details to the right. You'll go and get this pop-up, and at the bottom, you'll go and press Forget this network, like so. Then what you can do is go and press Remove, and it'll go and disconnect it. And then what you want to do is go and find it again. You may want to go and turn Wi-Fi on and off if you can't see it. Hover over it and press Connect. Then you'll need to go and enter in the password, which I'll go and do now. After you do that, you can then go and press OK. And then hopefully it'll go and connect. Now you can go and see if it's working. Hopefully it is. And if you're still finding it won't go and connect, then what you want to do is go and press General over to the left. Scroll down and you want to find date and time, and you want to try setting this automatically. If this is set incorrectly, you try to set it manually, sometimes it can go and cause a problem where it won't then go and connect properly and it won't work. So try doing that and go and see if it solves the problem. If it says connect but it's still not working, then what you want to do is go and press Details to the right. Then this will open up. You want to go to the left to DNS. Then what you can do is go and press the plus here. You want to go and type in 8.8.8.8, press OK, and then what you can do is press Details again and press DNS and press the plus again, and you can type in 8.8.4.4. Press Done and press OK. Now go and see if it'll work. Hopefully it will. If you're still finding that it's not working, you want to go and hold the Option key in the bottom left of your keyboard. It's in between Control and Command. Hold Option, and then you want to go and press the Wi-Fi icon in the top right of your Mac. You'll go and see a lot more details when you press the Wi-Fi if you go and press it without the Option key. And you want to go and press Open Wireless Diagnostics, like so. And what we can then do is go through this here, and it's going to run this assistant and go and hopefully diagnose the problem and hopefully go and solve it. So we can go and press Continue. Now it's going to go and analyze the environment. This is currently working for me, so we probably won't get much back from here. But what you can do is go and let this complete, and hopefully then your problem will go and be solved. It will go and give you a solution you can try doing. If it continues not to work, you can go to the top left and press the Apple icon, go down and you can press Restart. Often doing a restart will just go and fix things. If there's a problem with the Mac itself, go and see if that solves it. If after the restart it still doesn't go and work, then what you should try doing is restarting the router. As the router is just always on, sometimes it just needs to be turned off and then back on. Hopefully that will go and solve the problem. If it still doesn't, you should try using a different device with it, as you may find there's a problem with the router, which is why you think your Mac Wi-Fi isn't working. It's actually a problem with the router. And so therefore the router might need replacing. So if you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.